Sabi dito, translation was done by a professional who speaks both language fluently, who has vocabulary sensitive to nuance and connotation, and who has talent with the idioms and imagery of each culture. An interpreter is often critical and may be helpful even of the party speaks the other language. We are speaking international men and businesswomen. Napakala na we are going to a certain country without knowing their language, without knowing what their culture is.
Hindi nakakatawa.
So, on the part 6 goals, understand the importance of language. So that's why we as a student, we are in our curriculum, we have the French, the Spanish, the Hong Kong, and the Mandarin as our second language. Respect the culture. Yun daw yan. Ang sabi dito, on American, if you say thumbs up, it's okay.
Sabi mo yun.
But in Brazil, in some parts of Europe, when you say this, you're nothing. But in other parts of the world, this is okay.
Nothing.
But in those 2 countries, it's not. You're nothing. Yun palang ibig sabihin nun. Ayun. So, we have to respect it. Understand the components of culture. That's the 6. Any region is a sort of cultural iceberg with 2 components. The surface culture. These surface culture are the parts, the style, and the roots. And deep cultures are what we call the attitude, the belief, and the values. So, yun pala yun. Ayun. So, here, sabi ko nga kanina, we have the PowerPoint na maipakita dito yung success and failure ng Disneyland. Disneyland is not only in America. Disneyland has its own park in Europe, especially in Paris. It has parks in America. It has parks in Japan, in Hong Kong. And I've heard that they are expanding their business in Shanghai by 2010. Ang sabi dito, it's been too hard for Disneyland to have a stable
no?
By the year 1998, when they started in Paris. By 1995, they started in Paris. But from 1995 down to 1998, they don't have that stable number of attendees. Why? Because of culture. Ang sabi dito, Disney executives believe incorrectly that they could change the French attitudes of not wanting to take their children from school during the school year, as Americans do, or not wanting to take short breaks during the year. Instead of one long vacation during the month of August, this would have given Euro Disney steady high attendance all year rather than for just 1 month. So yun. For one reason, the visitors did not spend more. Was extremely high prices. Almost 2 years passed before Disney lowered them. Ayun. So, ang isa pa dito, in Paris, imagine, ikaw, kung pumunta ka sa Hong Kong Disneyland, magkano ang amount ng ano nila?
Magkano nga ganun? Magkano?
Yung, pumasok ka ng the ticket to Hong Kong Disneyland. Anyone who knows? Actually, hindi ako sigurado, pero nung nagregalo sa amin yung magulang namin, 216. Pero 3 days and 3 nights ka nasa Shenzhen, China to Hong Kong. That was $216 per person. Pero dito, ang sabi dito, sa Paris, $385 daw ang entrance sa Disneyland. Ganun kamahal. Imagine, Paris, $385 convert mo sa peso. Kung ano ang isang entrance sa 20,000 pesos. Ganun kamahal. So sabi dito, 1995 to 1998, ganun.
Tagal?
So, through research,
5 years
by their executives, by their
alay na ako.
by their people, na ano nila, na they have to lower the price. So from that, ay bumaba ng almost from 22% na lang yung 385 pesos. Tapos,
Baby John.
ang mga French pala ay hindi mahilig kumain sa umaga. Pero dahil doon sa adaptation, na-adapt nung Disneyland Paris, ang pagkakaroon ng breakfast sa umaga. So, dati, ang mga French na to ay hindi kumakain ng bacon at egg, na-adapt nila yun. So, from 1995 to 1998, nagkaroon na ng price ng number of attendees sa kanilang, Ayun. So, eto,
Tagal, Lin.
Irish, actually, the culture affects all business functions. First is the marketing. So, Irish will tell the parts of the marketing who fails because of not doing into the culture, not pretending to the culture of one country. Napanood niya ito kahapon sa YouTube, and she will share that with you.
Galing, Lin.